So this 2014 Ford Flex won't start, won't even crank. There's no power to accessories except the radio. I tried cables, no power. The switch didn't get any juice, the battery had a full charge, nothing changed. Didn't even have lights. The key fob didn't even communicate with the car. Anyway, I removed or inspected or swapped every fuse and relay in the engine compartment. I only checked the ones that were maybe related to the problem, like PCM, power, ignition, or anything like that. I skipped the windows, lights, and many others. I'll leave a link in the description for the fuse box's diagram. And then I moved to the inside fuse box, where while I was inspecting every circuit, it connected and everything started to work. I was pulling fuses. I believe it was fuse 18 or maybe 23. It was somewhere around there. Could have also been the relay in the center, which I wiggled. Everything seemed to have worked, so I left it alone. Hopefully this will point someone in the right direction with a similar problem. I didn't find any info about this online. If I learn more, I'll make another video with any updates. If you learn what it is, please let me know in the comments. So make sure to subscribe right here under this video to learn what happens. Bye for now.